Kani gede Gudarshyan Meghalaya bani pining sabhai pi baro chakatup kubor mataga John Miet Shawan Pash kubor ki babnya ini pechwai kimat bakongsan. Kershan ke HSPDP ke jingya lek ke sarkar jela banwan ra ya ke jingya kren penbet put hakawat ke baar. Yang scam ke HSPDP ya ke jing persyak banti uranium. Kunno ke tamasabe din klam da ke jing lek kemen ke ba isyong kun ha adnar. Penklan ke India bat Australia ya ke jing trilang hakishnat trikam ke bakongsan. Bat nangjur ke jing akan at hapadeng ke US bat Iran da ke jing siat namding mar keliang. Mentang ini pashwashi kubona ke jela. Ke Hill State People's Democratic Party kalapan scam ya ke jing ai jingkershan jongka ya ke jing lek jongka sarkar jela banwan ra ya ke jing kren penbet put bat ke jela Assam ke balasa teng laslam da ke ba penlong ya ke jing kren ha ke wat ke bahar u president ke HSPDP u ba KP pangyang ulapan pau ya ke jing snow scam ba onla ban penbet no ya ki real tali ki jaka ke badang don ha preng ke jing kenat hapo ke jing ram jong menteri rang ba ke jela u konrat ke sangma bo laken tu ki pai ba ki besyong basa ha ki te ki jaka ban ya shimenta ke jing peliu jingmut khenang ban yarap ban wanra ya ke rukam penbet ke balayat be ya denti
regarding to settle the long pending interstate boundary with Assam. Now we are coming to the next step of second phase settlement. So the party, once again, we reiterate our stand that we are the party being part and parcel with the MA government. Boundary settlement is one of our issue that we have raised time and again. So today the party would like to tell the people of the state that the second phase settlement of the boundary dispute, we hope that it will meet our long pending issue to be settled down by this present government.
Ke Hill State People's Democratic Party kalapan menabakan yakunya ke election chiteng samai syakaying darbar Lok Sabha batkan kershan kertong ke United Democratic Party u president ke HSPDP u ba KP pangyang ulaong bayakani ka rai la shim hadin ba ke Regional Democratic Alliance ka klemla ban menjurlang ya we u kertong bat ong ba ka parti kan ya sha liang lani ajing bet bagi nongilam jongka kin shim rai shimet bat ajing kershan ye no kat ba kadang beteng ban ya so bat ke UDP halor kimat ki bede bat ke jela
Tengi miyok shui akalat bangin ya lelang ya candidate ni common candidate tengi ya kren berada ke basuk da ke basung tu pada yang toka RTA kan ne sa markan pek da kamta ki larger issue jong ka state hebra ko wei tengi yau candidate ya mentahi na marba ni miyok lat ban ya baik ba tengi ni shahi ba ya menta ni nam don yo candidate ladehi pat ni nom yeng lang ru ha ka chiya kesan lang kumenswa yo candidate jong ka UDP ini pada nagalian ke parti halor kaneru ni perkat sani ba namar bangim don candidate namar ngim ya monru yo tau common candidate te ngiman se ba ya kene ke kam ni su nyalong kumbalong neutral we kaliang mo pat ya kene ke kam ni se ya selok i ru ha ke start chongki nong yalam misi thu ya kene syak party functionaries haki district level haki constituency level ba haki primary unit jong party baka i aga jing start ke chomki kumno ban kershan yunong kumno MP haka by election namar ngi mi olat chu ban penni lo jong ko tong la ka jong symbol jong
Kakinhuan Menteri Jongka Sarkar Jala kala menjur ban penkala ya gajing yate aiwai na kabenta ka Orchid Resort ka Badon Hamau ka Siang New Shillong kenang banla ban penhe ya ka sha ka 5-star resort Menteri rang ba ka Jala ukan rat ke sang mau loong ba kani gajing yate aiwai ka bathamai kan dan kam ya ka one time security deposit ka balong sun clothing ka bat ka jing siu ya ka 100% ka annual turnover Jongka Resort sha ka Meghalaya Tourism Development Corporation hakaba onla ban pentre kam ya ka kam ban penhe tang lada unong shimwai upriang ya jingete bathamai
concerned parties who got the project got the permission to start or to take over the property and to the property is leased out and they're running the property but there is a demand from them to allow them to invest and make that property into a 5-star, because right now it's not, by the investments being made by them, by the private sector. And so based on that, obviously the terms and agreement of the lease have to be amended. So this came to the cabinet today, and we have decided to amend it based on the similar clauses which have been given to other 5-star hotels developments, which is basically that they have to put a deposit of 5 crores, one-time deposit, and also 4% of the overall turnover has to be given to the government of Meghalaya, the MTDC. So those terms and conditions will be, as part of the agreement, and once they accept that the permission to upgrade it to 5-star hotel will be, 5-star category resort will be given to the concerned party.
Ka sarkar Meghalaya kala terwai ka rukom ti dewyong lingba ki tunnel kat kom gading start technology kom ka lat ka bakam shingan habanu jawab ka open cast mining ha ka ba umentri rang ba ka jelau kan rat ke sangma ulakin tui ka sarkar pedeng ban ai jingbit ya ka rukom ti dewyong kat kom ka juk ba minta da ka ba penon kami ka 3D mapping ka jing bisha di ka jing ma ber ki rukom 3 ki bishingan ka jela kala dawaru ya ka jing kmi bnya ya ka jing don kam na ka benta shispa aka kajing ti hapo ka MMDR Act bat ka kenhun ka bala aibor ha ka baki he ka sarkar pedeng bat sarkar jela kinya kendu hapo ka shposngi ban rai madu hadlor kajing terwa.
As you're aware that the ban has been lifted by Supreme Court, but at the same time the conditions of the MMDR Act, which require different scientific approaches, and open cast mining and large areas to be mined, was something that were becoming a problem for our local miners. And therefore we took up this matter with central government, and I'm very pleased to inform you that the Honorable Minister was very much in line with what we mentioned, and he agreed that yes, 100 acres is not something which is feasible for our local miners, and hence we must review it again. And it is difficult for the local miners to go to Delhi all the time and apply for different license and paperwork, and hence some other mechanism must be sought out. Yet the safety of miners must be kept in mind, and therefore what kind of technology that can be used to maintain that safety needs to be also examined. And therefore Minister has suggested that the Secretary, Coal and Additional Secretary and officials from Meghalaya government must sit in the coming days, maybe a week or 10 days time, and thrash out all the issues, discuss all the matters that have been proposed by us, and come up with a formal kind of a presentation to him.
Kahil State People's Democratic Party kalapan scam ya gajing persya jangka ya gajing ti uranium haga jela bat ka pediang ya gajing kular ka sarkar jela bakam don jingmut ban penya chakmat ya gajing temu ban ti uranium u president ka HSPDP u ba KP pangyang laong ba ka parti kal ju persya na ka por ya gajing ti uranium bat kala yero ya gajing ai jing pensyai u menteri rang ba ka jela u konrat ke sangma ba ka sarkar kam don jing temu ban khile biang ya kani kaman.
We stand the same decision, because I have seen yesterday in the media report that the Honorable Chief Minister of the state, he has clearly mentioned that no further talk regarding mining uranium in Meghalaya. So we are so happy, and we congratulate once again the Chief Minister of the state for his bold and immediate decision that he has taken and informed to all the citizens of the state that the government has no more intention to initiate uranium mining in the state.
Chairperson jong Meghalaya State Commission for Women ka kong yaman lang siem kalakin tui kinong tray ka one stop center ban pai khamat halor ka kwat ka kya ha ka bor perkhat ka jing sngow bat ka met ka phat ha ka jing ai jing ka shan ki lanot ki bangat ha ka jing sha thombor ha ba kren ka program capacity building ha shalong ila banjur halor ka jing don kamban sumar yaladi ka jing bateng ban yo jing hikai bat ka jing pentibet ya ka kam kum ki jing don kam ba kong san na ka benta jong ki khnang bakin la ban ai ka jing shakri ka babyang kababha bat kabadap jing isin a haga jing ai jing kershani ki riu kintei ki bamat ya ki jing
conducting research and supporting evidence that responds to the mission to drive
respected district social welfare officer
and everyone present here, closed doors as well as public spaces. The objective of
Yes, so we cannot give unless we have. It's impossible. So that's why, that is what capacity is about. That is how we deepen ourselves. That is how we stir the soil. That's how we pull out those things. That's why we reflect. It's the ability to change, to adapt, to learn, to grow, to be humble enough. If we're not teachable, we can't teach others. Again, as I said, some of us are so set in our ways. 2 + 2 = 4, and that's the way we go. We can't think of another way of doing things.
Kajing rakhe ka tamasa be din klam ka basaus ngi ka lakut no da kajing penlong ya ka muchai has im aitnar ha jawai ya ka bala wan yishimenta du menteri rang ba ka jala Assam o Himanta Biswa Sarma o sembut menteri rang ba ka jala uba sniaw bhalang dhar na lor kiwei hakane ka jingle kamen kala don ka jingle nyam ka jing ya pai ba ka jing ra ya ki rot ki ba pen pau ki khobor halor ka jingen kapule puthi ka jingket kle ya ka mai mariang bat ka bha ka miat ha ka em lang sa lang ha shwa bet pen kot ya ka da ka jingle pengam ya kini ki rot ha atnar diki hajar ngut ki riu ngai baki nong wan jungo kai kilay lum man sakhi ya ka ne ka tamasa ka ba i shong kun ka balong ka dak jong ka jing job jong ka hok persha ya ka pop bat kum ju ru ka banwan ra ya ka shong suk shong san ka paho pahai bat ka jing kurkhu ya ka em lang sa lang hi baro ka wai
I have carried message of goodwill from the state of Assam to our brothers in Meghalaya and more specifically to the brothers and sisters of Jaintia Hills. I convey my lot of good wishes and pray for success of the festival. I'll come again and I'll also join the festival. I'll also jump in the pond. I'll definitely come.
Kidukot jong ka KHASI Students Union kilalait ban khang talai ka office tray kam jong director ka ICAR ha ICAR research complex ka than chatela mingi da ka bakin no bakidong tray ki kren klam akor ha bakilait ban pha palat shuti bakade ka sngi rakhe ka be din klam ka union ka lakam ba director ulakan tat ban sngap ya ka jing kentu jong ki ba ulale bum setnyo ya ka jing kren jong ki ka bala pelong kidukot ka KSU ban pha mi ikidong train na katay ka jaka haswa ban khang tala ya katay ka office kum ka jing persya.
Discuss the morning time you have come. The morning time. You know that procedure. You know.
mentangin pashi kubon kelengkari. Menteri Rang Bak duk keri Narendra Modi buat Menteri Rang Bak ke Australia Anthony Albanese kila menjuru banyak keren halor ke Comprehensive Economic Cooperation Agreement ringkat ke jinga soy ya ke Nuclear Cooperation Pact ban pensuk ya ke rukam shalan ya uranium na Australia sya India. Kini ki arngut kinong ilam kila pen benaru ya ki senjam halor ke rukam ai jinga da ke boarding ke bekot ki cyber technology ke jinga trailang baya day haduriau bat syahau-hau. Umudi ula banjur baha ke spas nem ba arpaway baka India bat ke Australia kinang penklan ha ke jinga te lok jangki limba ke jinga trailang jangki samla ha ke pertai ke ban ai jing mentoy bat penklan shushu ya ke jinga te lok.
पीएम सूर्यघर योजना को सपोर्ट करने के लिए हमने मिलकर गुजरात में रूफटॉप सोलर ट्रेनिंग एकेडमी बनाई है। ये एकेडमी अनेक महिलाओं और युवाओं की कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग में योगदान देगी। न्यूक्लियर एनर्जी के क्षेत्र में आज हमने एक महत्वपूर्ण समझौता किया है। इससे ऑस्ट्रेलिया से भारत को यूरेनियम सप्लाई का मार्ग खुलेगा और हमारे क्लीन एनर्जी के उद्देश्यों को नई ताकत मिलेगी। क्रिटिकल मिनरल्स में हमारा सहयोग हमारी स्ट्रेटेजिक सिक्योरिटी और क्लीन एनर्जी ट्रांजिशन के लिए महत्वपूर्ण है। इसी सोच के साथ आज हमने ऑस्ट्रेलिया इंडिया पार्टनरशिप ऑन साइबर क्रिटिकल टेक्नोलॉजीज एंड सप्लाई चेन्स यानी एआई पैक्ट की पहल ली है। हम मिलकर क्रिटिकल मिनरल्स कॉरिडोर पर भी काम करेंगे।
Ka sarkar pedeng kalapan tikenai ke jingkular jangka bak India kan lam khmat ha ka perthai ya ka artificial intelligence application bat ki rukom trekam da ka AI haba ai jingkren ha ka CII Global Capacity Centers Business Summit araja apun riu S Krishnan ulong bak jing pai khmat ka long ban pen bha sho ya ka jing kentiu ya ka AI ha ki liang ba pair kat ba Chief Economic Advisor of V Anantha Nageswaran ula pen pa bak India menta ka pediang kumba shiteng ne ki jaka ai jing hikai ha ka perthai bala penya da ka nong rem baklan jangka.
Ministries, yes, I mean they've submitted certain requests in terms of or certain proposals in terms of the kind of applications they want as to what their requirements are. The Prime Minister had asked all ministries after during the AI summit, saying that they should sort of visit the summit, hear various speakers and also visit the various stalls, etc. In the exhibition and come back with where they think AI could be applied in their respective ministries. So almost about 762 such suggestions were received, and we are working with the various ministries to identify how to take it forward.
Menteri Ketenat ki Kampung Yeng jangka sarkar pedeng Amit Shah ula penya ya ka Border Security Conference jangki Superintendent of Police na ke district bapher jangka Thain Khapot ha New Delhi ban kami halor ka jinglong jingman ka jing shingan ha shilenter ki Khapot ka India bat ki wei kiri hagani ka jingalang lawan menishim menta da ki SP ni jilla ki bahap hapo ka Thain Khapot bat ki Union Territory ringkat bat ki officer rangba jangka Tenat ki Kampung Yeng ban ya tai sani halor ki mat bakongsan baken thop ya ka jingwan rung bi an ka jingkala ha ka jing ya bun pat ki jing ma ba mi ni ki jing shalan bi an ya ki jing di pen bu at bat ki drone ha ka jo ka po le ya kren ru halor ban wa ki lat ki linti ban penyar ya ki rukom trai kam na ka benta ka jing shingan ha ki Thain Khapot ka jing ya kan at hakasan himasima kal nangjur ha Jammu and Kashmir hadin ba ka Joint Awami Action Committee kala khat ya ka jing ki ba khat do halor ka jing bam le ai jong ki bor penya ka Pakistan ya ki jing dawa jong ki ba kan thop ya ka jing palat jong ki nong yalam ki bala syakem bat ka jing pen biang ya ki jing ai jing shakri ki bedan kam de ki hajar ngut Malaysia mentalang hakane ke jing ki hakeleng ki jaka kat baki bor badi kmi ki bakang ya ke JAAC bat ki bakem ya palat shi hajar ngut ki pai ba rengkat ke jing penjur ya ki bor pahara ki nong ki la keno bakala don ke jing duna jong ki marbam bat ki dawai dashin hakaba ki nong lam jong ke JAAC ki la kerpat ya ke jing ai jing ram hakajuk ke por ki la keno ya ke sarkar bakala penjari ya ke jing khanglat hakayo ke kon
तमाम परेशान हाल है, दुकानें बंद हैं, कारोबार इसलिए बंद है कि तमाम कारोबार इस वक्त पूरे दुनिया में नेट के ऊपर कारोबार है। अगर नेट सिस्टम नहीं होगा तो कारोबार नहीं होगा। लोग अपने पैसे निकालने के लिए परेशान हैं, अपने पैसे निकालने के लिए बैंकों में जाते हो तो नेट नहीं है, अगर कोई ऑर्डर करते हो तो नेट नहीं है, किसी जगह पे कोई माल मंगवाना है तो नेट नहीं है, पैसे ऑनलाइन करने हैं तो नेट नहीं है। दूसरी बात यह है कि इस वक्त तालीमी साल जो ज़ाया हो रहे हैं, अवाम परेशान है। ये इस वक्त ख़वातीन भी यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं, आप इनको भी ज़रा दिखाएं, ये भी देख लें, ये भी सब परेशान हाल है। लोग देख रहे हैं कि क्या करें। हुकूमत से हम अपील करते हैं कि खुदा ये इसकी तरफ देखें। बाज़ारों को खुलाने में वो खुलाने के लिए तो आते हैं, लेकिन ये नहीं सोचते कि बाज़ार खोल के दुकानदार करेंगे क्या। एक दुकान है जिस पे 10 आदमी मुलाजम है, तो 10 आदमी को तनख्वाह कहाँ से देगा? दिन में वो 10 गाहक भी नहीं आएंगे तो तनख्वाह कहाँ से देगा?
Mentangin ne pashi kubona ka pertai. Kajingnya kan ada pedang ke United States but Iran kelanang jor hadin bekisipai jong ke US kila ther nalor sunyi kisipai beki Jakarta don harut duriau hakeleng ki benta jong ke Iran ke bapelong pat ya ke Tehran ban ther ke Bahrain Kuwait bat Qatar deki namding bat ling baki drone kajing ther biang badang shen kelawan rai kajing akan ad hadin kajing tombor ya ke Strait of Hormuz hakaba ke US ke ong bakala ther haduk kandai pausin kum shi benta ban pendunai kajing don kisipai ha Iran kat ba kilat patai kubor jong ke Iran kila ya tho ba kila don kajing syapan betai ha shibun teli ki sorba bakentop ya ka Bushehr bat ka Bandar Abbas.
We just hit them very hard, and I'd say we hit them 20-1. Every time they hit us, we're going to hit them 20. And we did it last night. They did a little something today, but it was really retribution for last night. They hit actually 3 boats, not 2. And when they hit, we hit back much harder. It's another way of doing it. We have many ways we can win, but we've already won militarily. They have very little. They have very little left, and they want to make a deal so badly. They called a little while ago. They want to make a deal so badly. I just don't know if they're worthy of making a deal. I don't know that they're going to honor the deal. That's the problem.
Hadin kajing KRC ujumai he Venezuela kajing keo jong kajing yak breo kalakat shakalai hajar praspa khat wengut hakaba khat real hajar nyaus pa sau phongut kila mensau bat kumba khat pra hajar ngut kila do yalaki ying kisam kat kum kajing pentip jong president ke National Assembly Jorge Rodriguez ka President Mashipor ka Delcy Rodriguez kalak kerpat syaka pertai halo ben penbha ya kurkom no sinyang bat kijing don jing em ki bahap po ka jing khmi daki wei kiri bakan thop ya ka ksiar kaksa jong ka Venezuela balak kurup ta ka Bank of England ban pelaj no khanang bakan ai jing kashan ki lanot ki bangat ha ka jing khe ujumai mentangin ne phash khubor ya le kai Aswat S ubakat nyaus nam kartana kanya kumari ulalong Grand Master bakandai pupra gajing le kai chess hadin bula job ek final GM norm ha Pune International Grandmaster round robin arajar apun rio ha gajing le kai final aswat ulapen rem no yukanan Vaidyanathan jongka United States ban poi ha kerdan ka ba ada ka bayo nyau point nak handai kijing khud ka bapen I gajing la ban jam shakmat jongka India ha gajing le kai chess ha ka perthai Timenta penginipe ke jinglang jaman ke sui mening hakeleng ke benta jong gejela. Hatura kajing kret kalong 40 degree Celsius, but kajing shit kalong 40 degree Celsius. Kajing sengam kau kalong prapusau na kashispa. Kajing hap slap kalong kandai milimeter. Habapai pat shenong bat shelong kajing kret kalong kat kandai degree Celsius, but kajing shit kalong 40 degree Celsius. Kajing sengam kau kalong nyup kandai na kashispa. Kajing hap slap kalong lai point iway milimeter. Kebahaju waipan kajing kret kalong kat kanda degree Celsius, but kajing shit kalong 40 degree Celsius. Kajing sengam kau kalong prapusan na kashispa. Kajing hap slap kalong 8.1 milimeter. Tandon kajing hap slap kajing tiit upertat habun kibenta hatura shalong bat jawai. Syaban poy syabukut cukup kubon ini pek biang sasisi ni kimat bakongsan. Kershan ke HSPDP yang kejing elek ke Sarkar Jela banwan ra yang kejing keren penbet put hakawat ke paah. Yen scam ke HSPDP yang kejing persyak banti uranium. Nok kata masabe din kelam nak jinglek kemen ke ba isyong pun haatnar. Penklan ke India bat Australia ya kejingi trelang hakish nak trekam ki bakongsan. Bat nang jur kejing akan at hapadeng dari US bat Iran da kejing set namding markeliang. Ti palok atung lepoy syabukut cukup kubo jingi meta ke janmet hadu begini syam biang mat pia syai kesngi kublei pi baro.